Hello YouTube! Why do I always look so oily? As you may or may not know, I just got married about a month ago and I was very big on doing my own DIYs as well as saving money when I could. So one of the best places to find items with the best price and obviously fast shipping was through Amazon. So today I'm going over 10 of my favorite items that I got on Amazon. There's obviously so many places that you can find things for your wedding like Etsy or Michael's, which obviously were stores that I turned to when it came to buying items for my wedding, but sometimes Amazon just has exactly what you need for a great price and good shipping. So the first items that I'm talking about today are going to be decor. So one of my favorite items that I found actually were my table numbers. I ended up using 2 different types of table numbers just because I had so many guests. So the first items on my list are actually these gold acrylic table numbers. They actually are frames that you can literally use for anything, but I actually ended up using a chalk marker and putting table numbers on here. It worked really well as table numbers, and since I used chalk marker for this, I was able to wipe it all off and I'm able to resell these again to someone else who might need it for a different purpose. So item number 2 on my list is actually artificial flowers. So Amazon has so many artificial flowers that you can choose from, but I actually ended up using this brand called Breeze Talk. This box has about 50 flowers in it. I didn't end up using all of them, but it came in a box like this and it came with extra leaves as well. And I ended up just cutting off this little stem at the bottom here. Don't look at my ugly nails. For a majority of my flowers for the wedding, I actually use real flowers, but for things like these tiny boutonnieres that I had to make for a lot of my family members, I ended up just buying a box of these and making them myself. And what I liked about this brand in particular is that it comes with so many colors and so many sizes, so you're able to get kind of smaller rosebuds and you're able to get larger ones as well, depending on what your need is. So I ended up buying 3 different boxes. I ended up buying a red box, a pink one, and a white one, and I used those for different things throughout the wedding. So things like my boutonniere and then a little bit of table decor as well. The next item I have is actually something that I used for a friend's wedding that I decorated, but it's definitely something that a lot of brides are looking for, especially for backdrops, and it is these oops, wrong side. It is these Twinkle Lights. So this is actually really nice because this brand in particular has different colors. So you have white, you have yellow, and then you have a blue one here, or a cool toned light. I like this one in particular because it actually is a curtain of lights, and I'll insert a clip here. But I ended up using these as a backdrop for my friend's wedding ceremony, and it turned out beautifully. So as you can see on the box, it shows you kind of how it looks. There's a string on top, and then the lights are kind of cascading down here, and it also comes with a remote, and that is really important, especially if you want to change the different settings on the lights, change it from flashing to still to kind of like strobe lighty. But I think this is a great option for any brides who are looking to add a little bit more lighting to their wedding. I love Minted so much that I ended up using them for my save the dates and for my invitations, but I just couldn't justify spending over $300 for my place cards. So I went with the cheaper option, and that was to make my own place cards. I ended up using DIY place cards from Avery in the template 5302, and I think that this is the perfect size. So this box comes with 40 sheets, which equals 160 cards. I had about 500 guests, so I had to get about 4 of these just so I could have extras in case there was any mistakes. But what you can do is actually buy a template on Etsy with the same exact template number, and what you can do is actually print these at home or get it done at your local Kinko's or FedEx or any local printer really, and they'll print these out perfectly onto a sheet. And then what you do basically is fold these. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it on camera. There are tiny little perforation lines, and you're able to fold them and cut it down to the perfect place card size. These place cards vary in prices on Amazon, but right now they are on sale for $11, and it saved me so much money. So instead of paying $300+ for place cards that my guests probably don't care that much about, I ended up paying only about $50 for 500 place cards. This right here. This next item I cannot find in my house. I don't know where it is, but I have some clips of it, so I will insert a video of me using it for my bridal shower and even my bachelorette party. It is this rose gold sequin tablecloth that I was able to use for my bridal shower and my bachelorette party, and that comes in many different sizes. You can find it in gold, silver, rose gold, any color that you need it in. If you need it for a giant table or if you need it for a smaller, regular, like, you know, beer pong table size, you're able to get it in that size and for a really good price. But I will have it all linked down below so you could check it out for yourself. This next section of items I'm going to be talking about are gifts. So these are things that you can give to your bridal shower gift or your bridal party and your bridesmaids. I found, oh, let me get it. This first item is a cute bag that you can personalize for your bridesmaids or for bridal shower guests or maybe your bachelorette party guests. But they are these really cute rose gold bags. They're kind of like thin and cheaply made, but the price on them is so good that you just like can't pass these up. I have so many extras, but they're actually really useful because they are reusable bags. So instead of using, you know, plastic or paper gift bags, you're able to take these and use them over and over again. When I proposed to my bridesmaids, I used boxes, so I wanted to change it from boxes to bags. I personalized it with their names. I used a Sharpie paint marker to write names in calligraphy, and this one is mine from the day. I actually ended up using this bag on the day of the wedding. A lot of my bridesmaids were actually using the bag on the day of the wedding too, so it was really, really handy, and I love these. I think they're great, and they come in different colors. They are so cheap, like, I don't know how else I can sell these more. The next gift item that I have is actually something that I found on, I believe, Bed Bath & Beyond or Target. They had very, very similar items to this, but I found it on Amazon for a greater quantity and for a very, very good price. I ended up using these bottle openers for my bridal shower, like, favor gifts, and it's really cute because it is in gold. It says the word love in it, and actually if you turn it to its side, this is actually a bottle opener. So it is a cute but also a useful gift that your guests will actually use, and I've actually had friends like send me snaps of them using this, so it is actually really handy. They are literally so inexpensive compared to what I found on Target or Bed Bath & Beyond. These went for about $2 or $3 a piece when I got a pack of 50 for I think $50. So it was literally $1 a piece for each one of these. Oh, where did it go? For this last gift item, I am going back into my bridesmaid bag and I'm grabbing this really cute wine tumbler that I DIY'd myself. It is literally the cutest ever. You can find these on Etsy, but they're a little bit on the pricier side because you're obviously having someone else make them. And since I already have a Cricut machine myself, I was able to make these decals and put it onto this tumbler. It originally came obviously blank. This tumbler in particular is a wine tumbler, so you're actually able to drink obviously wine out of it. But for the wedding day, you can put mimosas for your bridesmaids to drink and have it all personalized and cute. I can't believe I found this on Amazon because it is a newer item, I believe, and it comes in many different colors. Obviously, my theme was like pink, so I went with this very cute nude pink with a white decal on it. But it is perfect, and I will have this forever and ever. And if I ever need wine to go, I have this to put it in. For this last section of items, it is actually going over accessories slash apparel. So let's start off the accessories with these. They are these really cute drop earrings. I ended up freaking out and buying these last minute because I already knew that I was getting a pair of earrings from my mother-in-law as one of the gifts during my tea ceremony. But since I knew that they were studs, I wanted something that was a little bit more show-offy for the actual reception. I went with these ones, and I just think these look so high quality for the price. They literally came in 2 days, and this is how they look. Obviously super fancy. I think that these are cubic zirconia and that it is actually plated, so it shouldn't tarnish on you, and it is something that I'm going to keep. They also looked really, really nice in my like detail shots of my wedding photos, so I'm gonna just put these on and like leave it on for the rest of the video then. They add a lot of sparkle and shine to your outfit. Item number 10 is another jewelry item, and it is something that I kind of struggle with. Specifically in the listing, it said that this was made for smaller wrists, and I do have kind of smaller wrists, so a lot of times like bracelets will be a lot bigger and don't fit that well. But I was able to find this very pretty sparkly bracelet on Amazon for not that much monies. I don't remember how much it is. Ooh, I don't remember it costing that much. So the earrings that I'm wearing are only $17, and then this bracelet, right now it's listed for $30, but I don't think I paid $30. The pricing might have gone up since I bought it, but it is still a beautiful bracelet. This bracelet is cubic zirconia gems, and it is also a mix of like platinum and rhodium. I'm gonna put this on to show you. But this is the type of bracelet that like doesn't look too bridal so that you can't wear it again. I'll probably end up wearing this again for like other fancy events. But as you can see, it fits my wrist perfectly. It looked beautiful in the photos. I bought this on the Wednesday before my wedding, so it came on Friday. It came just in time, and it was literally just like the perfect thing that I needed. I will keep it in my jewelry box for years to come. All right, so that was my 10th item. I have one bonus item, and it is not actually an item that I have to show you because that would be kind of gross since I've already used it like a million times. It is a sticky bra, and I don't know, I can't believe I'm talking about this. Excuse me. This is an item that I can definitely recommend to you, and you can use it even for your bachelorette party and your bridal shower. I bought this sticky bra in the summer so I can test it out for the day of the wedding. I ended up loving it and wearing it to both my bridal shower and on my bachelorette party. It is literally $15, and you get 2 sticky bras and 2 little, you know, pasty bras. So I am not going to show it to you, but trust me when I say this is like literally the best sticky bra I've ever used in my life. I was literally raving about this when I was in Vegas for my bachelorette party, and my friend was like, oh, I hate sticky bras, they never work on me, blah, blah, blah. And I was just like, what are you talking about? Like, this is working great. Check it out if you want to. There are only like 30 reviews on this thing right now. I'm gonna go ahead and put like a 5-star review on this because I love it so much. With that, I am closing out this video. Let me know if there are any other recommendations that you have from Amazon that worked out for you on your wedding day. Let me know if you found this helpful, and if you have any questions on any of the items. I'd love to talk more about them and give you my opinion if you should buy it or not. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you like this video. I make videos every single week. Hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!